4.3
Nimitam aprayojakam prakritinam varana bedas tu tata kshetrikavas. Nimitam aprayojakam prakritinam varana bedas tu tata kshetrikavat.
Transformation arises by changing our inner nature, just like the farmer removes obstacles in the way of his irrigation system. As we eliminate obstacles, our true nature unfolds. Recall the 5 kleśas, Sutra 2.3, avidya, unawareness, asmita, ego, raga, attachment, devesha, aversion, and abhinivesha, clinging to fear. The kleśas are like weeds in the field of our consciousness. By recognizing these deterrents, we transform ourselves from within and move closer to the ultimate goal of kaivalya. Come back to your lily pad and become the radiant lotus flower. Close your eyes and feel the depth of murkiness and muck below your true self. Visualize the mud beneath you as the challenges, negative thoughts, and limiting beliefs that perhaps cloud your mind. Breathe in deeply and imagine the lotus roots growing from the core of your being, nurturing your inner beauty amidst the murky waters. Feel the strong roots of your resilience and inner strength, even in the darkness, and connect with your ability to push through obstacles. Now, focus on your lotus petals. See them opening one by one to reveal your authentic inner radiance. As each petal unfurls, imagine any layers of self-doubt and negativity falling away. As you sit, serene in the murk, see how you rise above challenges, magnificent and whole. You are the lotus, and your true self remains pure and luminous.